So last year I broke down and bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, which cost a pretty penny. And when you get the combo, it includes this little pouch, which is okay I guess, but A, it doesn't provide a whole lot of protection, and B, its small size makes it a hassle to dig through and keep things organized. So pretty soon after getting the camera, I knew I wanted something a little bit better, and originally I thought about getting something like this Apache 3800 case at Harbor Freight. The price wasn't too bad, and it looked like it had all the room and protection I'd need. But after a little more searching, I found this case right here. This is a hard shell case from a company, I believe they're called STARTRC or STARTRC. So this was something similar to the Harbor Freight case, but the padded foam interior had already been sliced up and customized for my Pocket 3. So I wouldn't have to dig out the old X-Acto blade and carve out slots in the foam myself. That part had already been done, which was a huge plus to me. And the case was a few bucks cheaper, so I ended up buying it. So let's check it out. Now immediately, one of the first things you'll notice is, yeah, this case is a lot bigger than the pouch. So if I had to jump on a plane and had to fit everything into my TOMTOC travel backpack, video link in the description, I'd probably use the old pouch. But for everything else, I think I'd use this case, mainly because of how protective and organized it is. So checking out the case, it has a nice, sturdy feel to it, including the clasps and the hinges, which look solid. The case is advertised as waterproof, which is good, though I'd still handle it with extreme care around water or rain. The interior looks pretty good, so let's slap some camera gear into it. So, looking closer at the foam protection, the pre-made slots are about 1,000 times neater than anything I could have done. So let's try popping in the camera and its protective cover. Yeah, pretty snug fit, looks pretty good. So let's remove a few more of the inserts, and yeah, it's so satisfying to see such smooth, precise lines. So let's see what we can do about filling up the rest of these slots. Let's see, the mini tripod, the USB-C cable, the short handle, the wireless mic, the wide-angle lens and microphone magnet. Actually, I'll set this aside and add it later. The tall battery handle, the windscreen, and I think that's about it for all the Pocket 3 stuff. So let's add in the wide-angle lens and magnet, and since we have some extra space, let's see what else we can fit in here. A random cleaning cloth, an extra micro SD card plus an adapter, so looking pretty good so far, and there's still room. So in addition to the DJI Pocket 3 stuff, let's try adding in my old DJI Action 2 camera also. And it fits with no problem at all. Pretty cool. So here's the Action 2 and the Pocket 3 stuff. And we still have more room, so let's keep going. So here's the Pocket 3 Quick Start Guide, along with another SD card. And here's a magnetic base for the Action 2, which fits onto the mini tripod, so that's kind of cool. So now I can fit 2 cameras in one case, which is pretty nice. So now that I know what fits, let's shuffle some stuff around a bit. I think after all was said and done, my entire Pocket 3 combo kit fit into the case, along with my old Action 2 and a few other odds and ends. So I find it to be a roomy, sturdy, well-built case. It has security slots on either side, where you can add a small lock if needed. It even has an air pressure balance, though I've never used it. So for my needs, the case is pretty roomy, fits a lot of my stuff, helps a lot with organization, and adds an extra protective layer to my camera gear. So now, whenever I open the case up, there's nothing I need to dig around for. Anything I might need is laid out right in front of me, so whether it's a microphone, the camera itself, a USB cable, SD card, whatever it is, it's pretty easy to spot, and just grab it and go. So now I've got one fairly compact hard shell case that contains both my Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit and an Action 2 camera. I've had this case for a few months now and experienced no issues thus far. And like I said, the Pocket 3 combo cost a few bucks, so I want it to last me for a while. And hopefully this hard shell case will help in doing that. So thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this, and until next time, I'll see ya.